Hi there! Today we have the newly launched 67 watt Sonic Charge 3.0 charger combo. This is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the charger and even a USB-C cable. It also comes with 3.0 Qualcomm quick charge. It comes with 1 meter 6A Type-C cable. It's compatible with phones, laptops and other Type-C devices. Towards the back are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 2,999, but you can get this for just 1,999. Alright, let's unbox it. And we have the brick with us. Oh my god, 67 watt. Wow, that is one huge brick. You have a type A USB port behind, and that's it. Actually, that's the simple cable. And inside here, ooh, okay, so we have a USB A. We have a USB A to USB C cable. Okay, anything else inside? Oh, that's it. So here it is. Now I use this for everything, quite literally. My MacBook Pro that now uses a USB-C to charge, my Mi 11X Pro, and even my iPhone. But of course I have to use a lightning cable for that. But with a fast charger like this, it's the only one you're gonna need. It's ideal if you actually have a Mi 11 Ultra. It supports 67 watt charging and will charge a 5000 mAh battery from 0 to 100% in just 36 minutes. Wow. Yes, of course, some of us don't have devices that come with 67 watt charging support, but then it would be like future-proofing your device, just like 5G. We know charging is getting faster and 5G is on its way in. You can get the Mi 67 watt Sonic charger for 1,999 on 12th of July on mi.com. Get one charger and use it for all your devices. It's really cool. Actually, more than cool, it's convenient. I'll leave the link below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.